Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a Wells Fargo business credit card. It's really easy and simple. I'm going to guide you through the process. So first things first, you want to visit the Wells Fargo website. Just open up your browser and go to wellsfargo.com, and then you want to navigate to the credit card section. Just click on personal, then click on credit cards. Okay, now here what you can do is scroll down and click on business credit cards, and you want to choose a card, browse the available options and the available credit card options, and just choose the card you need. Just compare the benefits like rewards, interest rates, and introductory offers. And once you've decided, guys, what we need to do is basically click on apply now. In this case, there's only one available right now. They only have this one. This is the Signify Business Cash Card. You can just come here, click on apply now, and what will happen is they'll ask you to fill out an application form. So you need to provide your business details, for example, your name, your address, and your EIN, which is your, employer identification number. Okay. Just enter your personal information, for example, your name, your contact details, and financial data. And then Wells Fargo may also request you some additional documents, right? For example, your tax returns or your bank statements. To verify your business income, upload these directly on their secure portal if they prompt you to do that. And then you basically need to just double check your application for accuracy. And then at the end, you just need to accept the terms and click on submit. And Wells Fargo will basically review your application, and you should receive a response via email or mail, typically within a few business days. And there you have it, guys. Your application is on its way. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.